I should have got that on video. That's funny as. Oh, it is. It's recording. It's hard to get rid of these things. Is there anything in there that you're like, don't keep that? Okay, so the time has come. I am about to tackle my clothing. I'm really nervous about this. All right. My bed is about to become a clothing tip. Don't you? Thanks, darling. So I downloaded 2 separate checklists, Konmari checklists, and I'll pop the links to these in the description box below. But they just categorize every single category even further, so break down even further. Both of the checklists says to include in the clothing section bags and purses and jewellery. So this is all my jewellery. And I have to include shoes as well. Okay, this is what we're working with now, guys.
You're not gonna finish this.
Hey?
You're not gonna finish this.
I have to. Look at this coat hanger. How beautiful is it? Okay, just a quick check-in, guys. Been going for probably about an hour now. I've made some progress. Let me show you. This is I've just hung up some things here that desperately need to go to the dry cleaners. And then down here, my discard pile at the moment. Then I've made a separate little pile down here of things that I want to try on. My nanny made me this. So one of the key principles of the Marie Kondo method is to keep things that spark joy, and also to thank the things that you no longer need or that they have outlived their purpose. These guys are like my summer staples. This jacket has so much sentimental value. Lee bought this for me for my 20th birthday, and it was the first birthday that we were together. He did so good. But it's got all like weird stains and things on it now. I want to keep it. Not that I'll wear it. What do you do with these sorts of items?
There's been no dent in this.
You couldn't see the bed before. If you guys want me to do a video on how I actually fold my clothing, let me know in the comments below. I have been folding my clothing this way for probably about 2 years, and it really does make a difference in your drawers and the amount of space that you have. Also, it kind of makes you happy because they're all nice and neat and tidy, and you can see everything as soon as you open your drawer. This is my wallet at the moment. From when those damn people broke into a house and stole my wallet, this is what I'm keeping my cards and shit in now.
This is a big mess here.
I know, isn't it? Okay, so I think I am pretty much done. It's been a mission though. What's the time now? 3:30, so I started at around midday. So 3.5 hours. So this is a finished result, guys, and yeah, we have renovated our wardrobe in the meantime as well, but we are super proud of the effort that we made, just finding things that really did spark joy, and then to be able to pop them back into our new wardrobe and make it look so pretty. We're so stoked. I'm particularly excited about this jewellery setup because it allows me to see everything that I have straight away. I also keep all my makeup in the top drawer with these handy dividers from IKEA. That's just a nothing drawer. I significantly culled my jeans. This is a drawer that just holds my scarves, my hat, and my nail things. I finally bought some togs. They're great and they're from Kmart. And that's Lee's winter things. And then I have just popped my shoes that I don't use all the time just down there. I also realised that I didn't film an outro, so here we are, guys. Thanks for watching my Marie Kondo clothing declutter video. Next on the list is books. Yeah, that's gonna be a tough one. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.